weight to it. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. All right, what's up, barbecue crew? Today we're going to be doing an assembly and burn-in on the Pit Boss portable pellet grill. Now this thing is great because you can take it tailgating or you can take it on the go, and you can sear on it as well. I mean, it's a lot of great things we'll cover here in a few minutes, but let's get to it. All right, so we want to thank the folks over at Pit Boss for sending this unit out to the channel. And we're gonna go ahead and get started here. So we've gotten this out of the box now. You can see we've got the instruction manual and warranty paperwork and such over here. So now we're just gonna go ahead and open this thing up and get some of these pieces out. In the lid, you see we got some pieces here, the battery pack and the feet, the grease cup, battery charger, and the upper cooking rack. So we got all that right here. We also have the cooking grate, some more packing styrofoam, and we got the cover here, the manifold cover. But the good thing about this is with this unit here, you can sear, and we'll cover that a little bit later on. And we also have the power adapter, and we get a nice little cover with it as well. Now in the meantime, I've already flipped this upside down to get ready for the assembly process, and I'm going to go ahead and take these screws out to start to attach the adapter where the battery manifold goes and the two legs. All right, so we've gotten the screws out, and now we're going to take the battery cover and we're going to go ahead and connect this harness together here, and then we're going to go ahead and push this in. And we will get in these last two screws over on this leg. All right, next we're going to go ahead and put this handle on. So get our screw to the back. Over there. And I'll take the screwdriver and tighten that up. And next we're going to take that heat manifold and heat shield with the tab being on this side. We're going to hook it right onto here and drop it into place. Next we're going to take our racks and set those into place. And next we're going to attach the drip tray to the side and insert the battery into the bottom of the base. Now this unit does come with an adapter, and you can use that to charge the battery, or you can use it to plug in the back just like I have here. And since we don't have a charge, well, the battery does have it's charged at 50% out the box, but I'm going to go ahead and plug it in just so we can go ahead and get this burn-in done. Hey, you enjoying the video so far? If so, do me a favor and subscribe. Also give me a like, doesn't cost you anything. And if you hit that QR code in the corner or hit the link in the description below, you'll be able to connect with some of the folks that I have brand partnerships with and save some money on some great items while supporting the channel. Now back to the video. All right, at this point, we're gonna go ahead and turn on the unit to smoke. And we're gonna wait for the igniter to heat up, and it should take about a minute. And once we see that where it's heating up and we feel air going with the fan movement, we're going to turn the unit off. All right, so at this point I do feel a little bit of heat coming out and got a little bit of air movement going in there as well. So we've got confirmation that our auger is moving, and we're gonna go ahead and turn the unit off and fill it up with pellets. So with this battery here, Pit Boss lists your charge runtime at about 15 hours. So you get about 15 hours per charge. And you see you have 4 indicators here for 25 up to 100%. And it comes out the box at about 50%. You have a port on the front where you can just charge the battery, and that's your toggle switch right there for it. Now when it comes to the cooking racks, you have 2 individual racks. You have this bottom rack, which is your main cooking area, and you have this top rack, which I'd probably use more so as a warming rack just because of the clearance. But in all, they're listing it at 256 square inches of cooking space. All right, at this point, I'm going to turn the unit on to smoke, and I'm going to press and hold the prime button until we start to see pellets dropping to the bottom. So we're starting to see pellets in the burn pot now. So we're going to turn the unit off. And we're gonna wait for the fan to finish the cool down process. And then we're gonna get to the next step. Now, I've already turned off the unit, but you go ahead and place that heat shield in place and come back with your racks and get those on top. And we're gonna wait for that to cool down, and then we're gonna do the official burn-in process here with the Pit Boss directions. So at this point, we've got our auger primed, and we're going to go ahead and turn this unit on at smoke, and we're going to let that warm up. All right, so the fan is on. Fan is kicked in, and we're seeing that smoke start to dissipate a little bit. So we're going to cut this up to 350 degrees, and we're going to let this run for 35 to 40 minutes per the manual. We've been burning now for about 40 minutes, so the burning process is complete. Next thing is just to turn off the unit and let it go down the cool down process, which takes about 10 minutes or so. You're still gonna hear the fan running and everything else, even though no lights may be on. So don't unplug or take out the battery. Just let that go ahead and run down and get that cool down process going. But that completes the burn in here. If you found value in watching this video, I'm gonna ask you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We got some more great content coming out. And also leave me a comment below. Let me know what you'd like to see for the first cook on this unit. I got a few in mind, so it'll be something good. But thanks for watching.